Tired of juggling multiple software programs for your home service business? Feeling overwhelmed by the constant data entry and lack of integration? You're not alone. Many contractors are wondering if ServiceTitan can finally replace QuickBooks and streamline their entire operation. In this video, we'll dive deep, exploring the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms, and ultimately help you decide if ServiceTitan is the right fit for your business. Imagine a world where scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and even customer communication all happen within a single, powerful platform. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's the promise of ServiceTitan. But can it truly replace the industry-standard accounting software, QuickBooks? Let's find out. QuickBooks Overview. QuickBooks has long been the go-to for small businesses, including many in the home services industry. It's known for its robust accounting features, including reliable invoicing and expense tracking. Easily create and send professional invoices, track expenses, and manage cash flow. Inventory management. Track stock levels, monitor costs, and ensure you're always prepared for jobs. Payroll processing. Seamlessly integrate with payroll services to manage employee wages, taxes, and benefits. Financial reporting. Generate insightful reports on your business's financial health, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. However, QuickBooks can have its limitations, especially for home service businesses with complex needs. These can include limited job costing and scheduling features. While QuickBooks can track job costs, it doesn't offer the same level of scheduling and dispatch functionality as dedicated field service software. Lack of customer relationship management, CRM, capabilities. QuickBooks doesn't have built-in CRM features, making it difficult to track customer interactions, manage leads, and build long-term relationships. Integration challenges. Integrating QuickBooks with other necessary tools like scheduling software or marketing platforms can be complex and time-consuming. ServiceTitan Overview. ServiceTitan is an all-in-one software platform specifically designed for home service businesses. It offers a comprehensive suite of features, including powerful scheduling and dispatch, easily schedule appointments, optimize technician routes, and track job progress in real time. Comprehensive CRM. Manage customer relationships, track leads, and automate marketing campaigns to boost customer acquisition and retention. Mobile app for technicians. Technicians can access job details, update progress, and communicate with customers directly from the field. Integrated payments. Process payments seamlessly, reduce payment processing fees, and get paid faster. Robust reporting and analytics. Gain valuable insights into your business performance, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. While ServiceTitan excels in many areas, it's important to acknowledge its potential drawbacks. Steeper learning curve. ServiceTitan has a more complex interface than QuickBooks, requiring some time and effort to master. Higher cost. ServiceTitan typically has higher monthly subscription fees compared to QuickBooks. Limited customization options. While ServiceTitan offers a high degree of functionality, customization options may be more limited compared to some other platforms. Can ServiceTitan replace QuickBooks? The question of whether ServiceTitan can truly replace QuickBooks depends heavily on the specific needs and size of your home service business. Here's a breakdown. For small businesses with basic accounting needs and limited scheduling requirements, QuickBooks may be a more cost-effective and easier-to-use solution. For growing businesses with complex scheduling needs, a strong focus on customer service, and a desire for a more integrated solution, ServiceTitan can significantly streamline operations and improve efficiency. For businesses seeking a complete all-in-one solution, ServiceTitan offers a more comprehensive set of features than QuickBooks, potentially eliminating the need for multiple software programs. Ultimately, the best way to determine if ServiceTitan is the right fit for your business is to evaluate your current needs and pain points. Identify the key challenges you face in areas like scheduling, customer service, and accounting. Compare features and pricing. Carefully compare the features and pricing of ServiceTitan with QuickBooks and other potential alternatives. Consider your budget and available resources. Factor in the cost of the software, implementation time, and the need for training. Take advantage of free trials or demos. Most software providers offer free trials or demos, allowing you to test the software and see how it works for your business. Seek advice from other contractors. Connect with other home service professionals who have experience with ServiceTitan or similar platforms. Even if you decide to keep QuickBooks for your primary accounting needs, you can still integrate it with ServiceTitan. This allows you to seamlessly transfer financial data between the two platforms, reducing manual data entry and minimizing the risk of errors. Explore available integrations. Research the available integration options between QuickBooks and ServiceTitan. Consider using a third-party integration tool. If a direct integration is not available, you can use a third-party integration tool to connect the two platforms. Consult with a software expert. Seek guidance from a software consultant or IT professional to help you choose the best integration method for your business. ServiceTitan offers a compelling alternative to QuickBooks for home service businesses seeking a more streamlined and integrated solution. While it may not be the right fit for every business, its powerful scheduling, CRM, and mobile capabilities can significantly improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. By carefully evaluating your needs and exploring your options, you can make an informed decision about the best software solution for your home service business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.